welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a bit of a snowy day. So I thought instead of going straight to the unit this morning, it's about time I did that little video that I put on the community post about what the hell's going on with the channel. I know a lot of you probably want to know what's happened recently and stuff, so I think I owe you guys what went on. Right, let's start. Where should I start? Well, for a while, well, let's go back to the beginning. As we all know, the channel started with a lot of 4x4 stuff. The 4x4 content was the main stuff that I did, because that's what I did. I did a lot of 4x4 stuff and the rest of it. But over time, I kind of fell out of love with 4x4 stuff and some of the people that are in it, to be honest with you. It just got to the stage where I had enough of the bitchiness that's in the 4x4 stuff and the rest of it, where it used to be quite a nice place, but it changed. And as you get older, you don't want so much of it. Most of the time, I'm quite happy just to have the more peaceful life than I would anything else. And as such, I got the unit, started wanting to do stuff to 4x4, and nah, I just found back my love for, well, V-dub stuff, general car stuff, and well, general modified cars and rebuilding cars. The easy way of putting it, I prefer building cars than I do going out and driving them. Going out driving them, to me, yeah, I have fun driving them and I love driving them, but it's not the same as being creative and building them. So unfortunately, the 4x4 stuff, I just fell out of. Hence why the channel changed from the 4x4 name to the Rebuilding Salvage name, or the RS UK name, whichever way you want to put it. But yeah, it's hard for me to put it in words really about it and stuff, but it just gives you a little bit of the insight and stuff, which is why I've transpired into rebuilding accident damaged cars and stuff, playing with V-dubs and playing generally with modified cars. It's where my heart is, and yeah, I just what I want to be doing, to be honest with you. Over time, I want to turn it into a full business where I'm rebuilding cars and knocking them out for, well, you guys or other people to buy and enjoy themselves. But yeah, I know you guys are probably thinking, well, what's that got to do with what happened to the channel recently? Well, I don't know if it's YouTube with the algorithms or not, because I don't want to blame YouTube. I don't want to blame anything else over it. I'm not blaming anything. It's just the fact that I found that the channel wasn't getting pushed for anything other than 4x4 related stuff, and it was getting hard to get new viewers to the channel and the rest of it, and it just carried on like that. And where other channels are getting massive views for doing pretty much identical videos, well, not identical, but similar sort of videos, I get up to a couple hundred views, and it just doesn't make sense. So I went and took some advice off a few people and the rest of it. Turns out it wasn't very good advice, but I took some other advice off other people and the rest of it. Started another channel up, which was under the name of Rebuilding Salvage. I put the other one back to the 4x4 name, just so it wasn't conflicting with each other. And as I started changing the videos over from the old channel to the new channel, I was deleting them from the old one, as you would do, and he carried on like that. But then I got contacted and got told that my channel's in conflict with another channel, which was my old channel, as it like the rest of it. After, I would say, heated emails, discussions, and a phone call, it transpires that the new channel I set up I can't have as it was. It cannot run the same way. It would have to be something completely different, or run it as a second channel to the other one, which is not what I wanted. So I got rid of that begrudgingly. Got advised to remove the 4x4 content off the old channel, and start putting all the videos back on that channel that I had on there before. Hence the big influx of massive amount of videos, which almost some of you guys would have watched, some of you wouldn't have done already, which gives you a chance to catch up on the ones you didn't get and the rest of it. But and then just don't put the 4x4 stuff on it, and then the algorithms will pick up the salvage stuff, the car stuff and the rest of it, and in time we'll start pushing that side of the channel more, and it'll grow more. So that's what I've done. It was a hard thing to do, to be honest with you, and I got to a stage where I didn't know whether I was going to carry on or not, to be honest with you, after all the hassle, the hours and hours and hours it's taken to put everything back as it should be. And yeah, it's just hard. It's just really, really hard. A lot of you know that I suffer quite badly with mental health issues and stuff, and I don't want to stick that in the middle of it and make that's the fault, but it made it worse. It made the mental health side of things for me worse. But I've pulled through. I've got my head, I wouldn't say in the right place, but better than where it was, and I can now look at moving forward with the channel. I've got some videos already recorded and stuff like that, ready to go, and I've got a lot more planned. There's one new vehicle which is just about to come to the channel, which I hope you guys will enjoy. I don't know what to say, what to do. It's just I've got to do what I've got to do for the best, and hope you guys all understand why I've done it, because all I want to do is better my channel, and that's physically all I want to do, is better the channel. And to better the channel, I've got to do whatever I've got to do, and eventually, hopefully, it'll pick up and the channel will start making, well, lots of views. Because with the lots of views, as we all know, it makes it easier to make better videos. Because if I start making money out of YouTube, and reasonable money, I don't want to be making loads of money, but it would just be nice to, once or twice a month, YouTube views pay for my video that I've made, which means it frees up more money to do another project, and in turn you guys get a lot more content, because I'd love to be banging out 2-3 videos a week and giving you the content that you guys deserve, to be honest with you. And it's, yeah, but without you guys support and without you guys watching it, I haven't got a channel, and it's hard work. It will be hard work, but fingers crossed it will get there and stuff. But yeah, as I said, just needed to give you guys an explanation of why I had to do what I had to do, and what the hell was going on, because I know a lot of you have been wondering. So yeah, anyway, enough of that boring stuff. Hopefully your next video you get will be one you will want to watch. I know you will. I know you definitely are going to want to watch the next one. So until then, guys, hope you're all staying safe and you've enjoyed a bit of the snow life. And yeah, I will see you all shortly on the next vid. Stay safe, guys.